We're at Timber Mesa Outdoors today to look at the new 2012 Mathews Helium. It's a brand new bow from Mathews. We got it in just a few days ago. First impression is it's extremely light. You pick it up and it is a legitimate 3.5 pounds. We put it on our scale, came in at 3.58. Very impressive for a bow that's got such a long riser on it. Now this bow is 30 inches axle to axle, has a 7-inch brace height, and is still only 3.5 pounds and shoots 332 feet per second as per the Mathews advertised speed. Great little bow. A couple of changes they've made on this Helium from last year's Z7 Extreme. The cam has been redesigned. It's a little lighter weight, and you'll notice they have an external draw stop that hits on the limb versus the stops they were using before that would hit on the cable. It gives you a little more solid stop. Some people really like that. I know I do. It gives me a little more solid wall to use back tension releases with. Going on up the riser, you'll see that the dead stop has been redesigned this year. They call it the Dead Stop Light. It's a carbon rod instead of the bigger machined aluminum bracket with an adjustable rod. One benefit to this too, outside of the weight, it's a little lower and out of the way, and they've eliminated the lower string stop that was mounted on the limb. So they saved a little bit of weight there as well. You'll notice looking at the riser that they've machined out more aluminum. So everything's a little thinner here. Just helps for that overall weight. It feels great. I know I keep touching on that, but it really is a very light bow. The grips this year feel like they've redesigned that a little bit too. It's a little narrower than the traditional grip has been the last couple of years. And then on up the road a little bit here, you see the reverse assist roller guard has been changed as well. You don't have the big bulky aluminum piece, but rather a carbon rod. That does two things for you. It takes a little bit of weight off the bow, but it also allows for the roller guard to flex a little bit, which is going to help reduce some of the torque that's being transferred to your riser. So a great little advantage on this bow from last year's Z7. And then on up the bow a little bit, you'll notice the idler wheel is a little different this year from last year. And it just, not that it works any better or worse, it's just got some different cutouts, so it's got a different look to it. Sharp looking bow, more cutouts in the shelf area here than they used to have. Very light, great balance on this bow. It's a great shooting bow. I'm excited to go put it through the chronograph, put it through the paper, and see what we got. But that is your 2012 Mathews Helium. Go check it out. We've got some in stock here at Timber Mesa Outdoors. Encourage you to come down and put a few through the chrono and see what you think of it.